Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a JavaScript project on Palindrome checker. Let us begin. Let us first see the requirements. You will be requiring a Visual Studio Code editor and basic knowledge of HTML and CSS to design the user interface. Let us now understand the working of the source code. Here's the HTML file. This is the basic structure of HTML. This is a very simple code over here. I have just provided the h1 tag, the heading, palindrome checker, and one input over here for the number, for extracting the number, and this tag over here, the label tag, which will display enter a palindrome to check, and a button over here which says check. And on pressing that, this function will be called the check. To attach the style sheet, you need to link this over here in the head tag, and at the bottom of this body tag I have attached my JS file like this. Okay, it's a very basic styling sheet. You can design it in your own way. Now let's dive into the JS file. Okay, this is the function check which we supposed to call whenever the user presses this button check. Okay, so what it will do, that it will extract the value entered by the user. I have called this get element by id and provided this number over here, and this is the same name which is present over here in the input tag. Okay, so dot value provides the value, and we are saving it in this variable data. Now there's an empty string a which will be the new string. So what we are doing is starting this loop with I as the end index, and it will uh, iterate to 0. Okay, this character add function will call uh, the character of this string data, and at the index of I, which at the first iteration, which of a string of length 4 will be 3. So it will start from 3 and till 0. So it will concatenate with this empty string a. Now this string is reversed. We have the reverse string in a, and the original value is saved in this variable data. Now it's just a simple check we are providing over here. If a is equals to data, alert box will appear which says that the value is a palindrome. Otherwise it says it is not a palindrome. Let us now run the code. Let's run. Okay, you can design it. It is not well designed, but it's working. Now let's enter a palindrome. Let's say 121. It's a palindrome. So yes, it says it is a palindrome. Let's enter something else. It is not a palindrome. So the code is working. I hope you understood the working of the code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting project ideas.